All right, now we're moving on to the first part where you can modify something in your course. So when we set up your course, it is more or less a template based on the information we provided. Of course, you want to add some additional information to your course, like your university logo, the teachers, images from the teachers, for example, and of course, when does your course start and when does your course end. So we do that now together. Let's enter our studio F1TENTH org first, and please go now to the course where you want to modify the information. I provided one course for us here, the 15 weeks course, where we'll have a look. We will be redirected now to our F1TENTH studio website, and now we are having a look at the highest line here where we found the drop-down menu called Settings. You can open the drop-down menu to see the overview of what we are having here, but what we're focusing on is Schedule and Details. Please click on that and you see that a new website will open. And on this website you have the possibility to modify the main information. First of all, what is the link to invite your students? You can click on that and then invite your students. You get additional information like what is the organization, course number, and course run. We created that for you. Then number 2 is like, what kind of course pacing do you have? You want to have an instructor-based course, which means you provide the progress and the pace of the course, or is it a self-paced course? Then number 2 is the start course of the date. You see when I click on that you see another drop-down menu. We can here choose a specific date and a specific time, and you see if I change something, then below there will be a pop-up that shows us we have to save our current changes. And then of course the end date and enrollment start date and enrollment end date, if you want to provide your students, give them a little bit more tight timeline. Then the course details, of course it's in English, and introducing to your course, like what is your overall course description. And if you want to know where you can find that, please just change to courses.f1tenth.org, and then you see here the main information about your course. In addition, the course overview, which is integrated in HTML, where we can change here, is also displayed then afterwards here on the courses F1TENTH site, which means like everything you change here, we will see on the F1TENTH site. Then we can change your course card image, which in our case is mainly the university logo, because this is displayed then on the main homepage. You can upload any image you want, and if you have a course introduction video where you want to present yourself to the students, you can enter that one too. Last but not least, you can change the requirements, like how many hours of effort the students have to do in your course. Last but not least, just a reminder, the course overview we set up here is mainly based on our 4 weeks, 10 weeks and 15 weeks course. So whenever you want to, you can change it, but you can just integrate our setup of the course overview. And that's the first possibility to change something in your course.